From the moment I picked up the box of the Honor Choice X7e earbuds, it was immediately clear that these were designed with a very specific philosophy in mind: long-term comfort, natural sound immersion, and effortless everyday usability rather than aggressive isolation or overly technical complexity. After spending an extended period using them as my main audio companion throughout workdays, commuting hours, workouts, calls, and late-night listening sessions, the experience revealed itself as far more refined and thoughtfully balanced than I initially expected. After extensive daily use, the Honor Choice Earbuds X7e emerge as a product defined not by flashy gimmicks, but by balance, comfort, and thoughtful engineering. Their semi-open active noise cancellation, airy wearing experience, immersive yet natural sound signature, and long battery life combine to create earbuds that feel genuinely pleasant to live with. Rather than demanding attention, they quietly enhance everyday moments, whether working, relaxing, commuting, or communicating, making them an excellent choice for users who value comfort, awareness, and refined audio performance in equal measure.